Hello guys, it's me again and welcome back to my channel, which is SUMIT OHDAR with another update. And today's update is for the candidate who are interested in the field of Air Force. Yes, of course, Air Force. So we'll be looking in details the recruit vacancy, the process of selection, etc. So before we go for the in detailing, first let me tell you the number of vacancy. The number of vacancy is 334. Yes, you heard it right. The total number of vacancy is 334 vacancy for the candidate who is looking in the field of Air Force, AFCAT. So the starting date to apply online is 1st of June and the closing date is 30th of June of this month. So we'll be looking the what is the age criteria for the different branches. So there is a two branches. One is a flying branch and one is for ground duty. In for flying branch, the minimum age should be 20 years and the maximum age should be 24 years. It should be 20 years between 24 years. The candidates born between 2nd of Jan 1998 to 1st of Jan 2002 branches. There for technical and non-technical, minimum age is 20 years and maximum age is 26 years. Here the candidates should born between the 2nd of Jan 1996 to 1st of Jan 2002, both date including. Okay, now we'll be again looking subdivision wise, branch wise, and through what process they are going to fill that respective branches. So through AFCAT entry, the branch flying, there is a total 96 vacancy, and for ground duty technical 137 vacancy, which is a huge number of vacancy, and ground duty non-technical 73. These all branches will be filled by through AFCAT entry. And the last two, NCC special entry flying, which will be reserved 10% seats through a special entry, the candidate those who have the NCC certificate and all that. And the meteorology entry, for them 28 number of vacancy is there. So this is the branch wise and their respective number of vacancy and what process they are going to fill it. So for apply online, just you go here and click over here. So we'll be not going in that section, we'll go what is the eligibility to AFCAT. So just corresponding column link, it will direct you. Just click on the eligibility, click here eligibility details. So for the AFCAT, for the flying branch, the details, age details already I have told you. For ground duty technical and non-technical, the age limitation already told you. Now, those who have the graduation in any recognized university with minimum 60% marks in aggregate in all papers and should have passed maths and physics in their 12th level for the flying branch. And technical branch, aeronautical engineer and aeronautical engineer mechanical electronics, for them 4-year degree integrated post-graduation qualification or are cleared sections A and B examination of associate membership of institution of engineers or aeronautical society of India. This is the educational qualification for the technical branch. And for the ground duty technical and non-technical branch, there should be also graduation with 60% marks in BCom degree / MBA, MCA, MA, MSc degree in English, Physics, Mathematics, Chemistry, Statistics, International Relations, International Studies, Defense Studies, Psychology, Computer Science, IT, Management, Mass Communication, Journalism, Public Relations with minimum of 50% marks. So remember that for the first two branch, flying branch and the technical branch, there should be the 60% minimum marks, and for the ground duty technical and non-technical branch, the minimum of 50% marks is required. And then there is one more standard in Air Force, Indian Air Force, physical standard, which plays very important role to get into this field. So minimum height should be for the flying branch 162.5 centimeter with correlated weight. So they will look this height according to your body weight. Then ground duty branch, which comes here, which depends on the specific area wise. So you just look at if you belong to this specific area. And for the leg length, minimum 99 centimeter and maximum 120 centimeter. Thigh length, maximum 64 centimeter, and which is very important in Indian Air Force. Minimum acuity should be 6/6 in one eye and 6/9 in other eye. Correctable metropia condition. So when you scroll down, you'll be getting click here for selection process. So what is the selection process for this AFCAT? Selection process for the branch wise again explain over here. So for ground duty, the candidate will call for the AFCAT exam and the engineering knowledge test, which is AFCAT and EKT. Yes, for the ground duty technical, they have to go through the AFCAT and engineering knowledge test. Okay, in that there will be 2 hours duration and will contain the MCQ type of question, which contains verbal ability, numerical ability, reasoning, general awareness and military aptitude. And selected candidate will have to go further 2 stages. The stage 1 consists of intelligence test along with other tests. Document check will come under the stage 1, and the stage 2 they have to go through the psychological test, group task and interview and all that. This is for the ground duty technical branch. And for the flying branch, again they have to go through the only AFCAT exam. Okay, in that the syllabus is same, almost same as for ground duty technical branch. And for the ground duty non-technical branch also, they have to go through the AFCAT exam. And the syllabus is also same as flying branch. Remember that the syllabus is only different for ground duty technical branch, means 2 extra stages, which is stage 1 and stage 2, and for flying branch and for ground duty non-technical branch, they have little different syllabus. So please go through it, and then we will be looking the syllabus. Just click on it. The syllabus, as I told you, this exam will be 2 hours duration, AFCAT, and there will be number of questions 100 and the maximum marks 300, means obvious the each question carries 3 marks. 2 hours exam, and subject is general awareness, verbal ability in English, numerical ability and reasoning, and military aptitude test. EKT for the engineering and technical branch, they have to write for science, mechanical science and electrical and electronics. The number of questions will be the 50 and the maximum marks will be 150, means again obvious here each question will be carrying 3 marks, so total 150 marks for the technical branch. So this is the syllabus of the examination, and standard and syllabus of the examination is given over here. For English, they have to read comprehensions, error detection, sentence completions, filling in of correct word, synonyms, antonyms, and testing of vocabulary, idioms and phrases. These are the subtopic in the English. In general awareness, history, geography, civics, politics, current affairs, environment, basic science, defense art, culture, sports, etc. Remember that ETC says a lot about the general awareness, because in general awareness there is no limitation, so you can read as much as you can in general awareness, but be focused in a specific areas which is written over here. Don't go beyond that. And for the third, numerical ability, decimal fraction, time and work, average, profit and loss, percentage, ratio and proportions, and simple interest, time and distance, trains, sports and streams. So these are the topic which is clearly given on the numerical ability, so I will be suggest you to not to go beyond this. And remember that the level of the numerical ability will be 10th standard. 10th standard numerical ability will be 10th standard, not more than that. Just keep that in your mind before you prepare for the numerical ability. And for coming reasoning and military aptitude test, there will be verbal skills and spatial ability. This is not something we go through it, so I suggest you a little bit just before. Then the numerical ability is given over here. As I said, the questions, numerical ability questions will be matriculation level. Already I told you the question level will be 10th standard level, and the standard of questions in other subject will be graduation level. Indian University, the way they follow question patterns, in the same way the question pattern will be there for the other subject other than the numerical ability. So remember that numerical ability 10th level and other subject will be graduation level. Okay, so this was all about the informed recruitment process of the AFCAT. If you like it, please subscribe it, like it and share it, and please share as much as you can, so it could reach to the all the aspirant, those who are very interested in the AFCAT Indian Air Force. So thank you, and I'm signing out until we meet again. Till then, bye bye. If you have any queries, you can put down in the comment box. Thank you.